So as we're here at Rockstock in Huntington Beach, one of the big things that I noticed was there's a lot of docs that might not know everybody at the conference. They're a little bit confused, but I want to tell you that you can use Instagram to actually connect with other docs that are close by to you and start to get a conversation going so you're not feeling alone or siloed at the events whatsoever. And really the easiest way to go about that is when you take out your phone and you go to Instagram, what you can do is actually search by places. And when you search by places, what that gives you the ability to do is just tag exactly where you're at. So we're at the Hyatt Regency in Huntington. I can tag that, and then it will give me a list of everybody that's posted in like chronological order at the Hyatt Regency. So I was able to find a bunch of other docs that were posting pictures from Rockstock and then say, oh, hey, what's going on? Comment with them, shoot them a direct message, like their page and follow their page. And that gets an easy camaraderie going where if you go to a new lecture, if you go to a new event and you don't know anybody there whatsoever, you can just hop on Instagram, especially if it's an event that has a couple hundred docs. You'll notice that they're starting to post pictures, people are engaged, and I've seen it a ton more as time has gone on lately, that people are pulling out their phones and taking pictures of slides. And many of them are then putting those on Facebook, on Instagram. But Instagram is an easy way that you can find people and connect with other docs at seminars, at events, and really get that conversation going. So I just wanted to give that quick tip for you. If you are a doc out there that's been to a seminar or a conference and has felt like, I don't know anybody, I've definitely been there, but using things like Instagram can make it a lot easier to connect with like-minded docs and catch a few friends in the process.